What's going on, guys? So in this video we have this Harman Kardon. Is that how you say it? Well, this is called the Aria Studio 2, I believe. So I took it apart because I was cleaning it. I'm gonna sell it. So there was a little bit of dust right here and stuff, and I also cleaned the inside of the glass. So pretty easy to take apart. And so in the bottom there's a subwoofer, and maybe I'll play it for you guys right now, see how it I'm gonna play it. So I'm gonna connect it. I gotta plug this in because I need to plug in the power. So it's just like a little ribbon connection that goes here or right here, and then I'll play it without all of that and see how it sounds without it. But also, if you're just curious on how they build these, or at least like this model, you can look around. So these speakers are known for their quality, and it's crazy because the first time I heard about them was one time that there's like a leaf right there. The first time that I heard about these was, so one time I was putting a sound system in my car, and the sound guy had he had one of these, right? It wasn't this one, but it was like one of the, it was as big as this, and he played it, and man, that thing sounded clean, and I was like, what the hell? And like, obviously they're not as loud as like having a really big like stereo system and stuff, but like if you're in the room, they're for sure really nice. If you're like in a room or like a smaller space, or to use them for like your computer, they deliver a really nice bass. So I'm a bass person, so obviously that's the one thing that caught my eye. And on top of that, just the quality, like the sound quality is really nice. So this one, it's supposed to have like 6 tweeters around, but I don't know how to take this apart. I don't want to, because I think I'm gonna have to like tear this off. But I know there's 6 tweeters around, and then you have your subwoofer. Alright, let me plug it in and then we're gonna see how it sounds. But yeah, keep looking at it. All the chips and stuff. I don't know. This connects to that. So there's like lights in there, and at the end of the video I will play everything. Oh, it also is like touchscreen, so you got your light, you have volume, you have phone, you have your power, and the Bluetooth. It works with Bluetooth, and then as well you can connect your aux cable. The service, I think it's for like updates, so it comes with like its own little USB, whatever, micro USB for the service, so you can update it. All right, so let me connect it real quick, and then I'm gonna play some music with the subwoofer and without that. Okay, just in case you want to pull apart your own, so there's like this ribbon, and that ribbon connects the, wait, the fuck, right there. You see the top little box? That's where this ribbon goes. Pretty easy to do because you can pull it out all the way, and it clicked, so it's in. All right, so let me connect it. So now we're gonna grab our power and plug it in. Okay, so now it's plugged in. Okay, but I just realized that the power button, it's in this thing, so I'm gonna have to plug this at least this to that, and I'm gonna keep it away from this so that you can see the sound. All right, so that little connection goes right there, right here. Okay, so it looks like it's plugged in, and then we're gonna go to the power. Hold on. Okay, let me do this side because that looks cool. Hold on. Turn it off, and then watch. So watch what happens right there. Oh, that's cool. Alright. So this is the light. I guess the light is in here then. I thought the light was on the inside of that. But alright, also let me connect it to my other phone, because I don't want to play music through this. Okay, so it's called the Aura Studio, and I'm connecting it right now. Alright, so it's not connecting. Hold on. Really easy to pair. So I'm pairing right now. So I'm just noticing that the LED lights are in there. And then like the design of this is like really nice, like it's smooth. So those for you wondering, this thing is worth like, I mean, this is an older model, but it still was like worth like $300. And right now, like they go for like 150 for like 200 new if you try to find it new. One more thing, so like I've had like Sony before, boom boxes, JBL, and in terms of like quality for the sound, this one, like not this one, but like Harman Kardon just takes the cake for sure. And I'm not the only one to say that. Okay guys, so I got it plugged in. Hold on. So I'm gonna play ghetto music because I like bass. So, but it's just to show you guys the subwoofer, you know.
I said cold killers, who shot I don't remember. That bitch off coke, remember. Fuck hoes. If he got more bodies than you can't look bro the nigga. You hustle. I fuck a bitch, her pussy dry, I might use lotion with her. Live by the gun, you dying bad, them niggas wanna prove it. That shit with mood in. You say you got good gas, that shit be doodle. That shit on YouTube. Told the old head fresh out of jail, this shit right here, he ain't useless. Man, what? I brought my land with cash.
Okay, so that was like full volume, man. This little thing bangs.
Yeah, I shit close killers, who shot I don't remember. That bitch off coke, remember. Fuck hoes the price, 10 bodies than you can't look bro the nigga. You hustle back, host the nigga. I fuck a bitch, her pussy. Threats, you know what the fuck on. It cool today, FaceTime around them niggas, I gotta move my face. Bring me Draco shells, I can't leave out with an empty clay. No, don't hop in that car, you all we got, don't put that shit at stake. Ain't gon' judge you, brother. In the six of Tristan, you should've saw his face. Street nigga turn blogger for clickbait, now with Chase. Get a Larry Hoover to touch the streets again. You vouching for to get you out the way. I don't care what side you is, you in a.
Okay, so now I'm gonna record. I'm just gonna go around real quick so you can hear the voice of it. And this shit is loud, man.
Nigga, give you the business. Since I was 6, I've been with it. Bitch, I've been getting it. Young nigga, and I got plenty. Hundreds and 50, a motherfucking skillet. Don't put your hands on me, Willie. Swaggin' and spillin', drippin' and gooshin'. I see you niggas bullshittin'. My diamonds hittin'. Bitches falling out like windy. Ooh. Spent the whole 100 racks on tennis. Not talking about shoes. But I was just 6, playing with sticks. Yeah. I ran it up, now I'm lit. Yeah. Now this young nigga ain't talking about shit. No little ass diamonds, yeah, I had to squint. Yeah. I hit your bitch, leave it.
Okay, So you guys can see that it's really loud. So now I'm gonna put it back together. And so this goes upside down. This is supposed to go on the floor, like on the bottom part. This I'll show you guys right now. Let me put it together and then I'll play it with everything. I'll play with everything the way it's supposed to be. All right, and this is how it's supposed to look. So, oh shit, I haven't put it back together. But yeah, basically the subwoofer is on the bottom. I do have the right here on the bottom. There's like little legs. I do have it. I just took it off to remove all the screws around it. I'm gonna put it back at the end. But yeah, this is how it's supposed to go together. And I'm gonna play the I'm gonna play the first song, so you guys can, I don't know, if you every time you listen to like music reviews or like reviews for like anything with music, it's better to do it with headphones, and because that's when you can really hear. Hold on. The hell? Hold on. Gotta turn on the Bluetooth. Alright, let me show you how it looks when it turns on. Cool, right? So this one's a little bit beat up. But yeah. Nice. Alright, it's connected to Bluetooth now. And I'm gonna play the song.
Smurf. 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 Yeah. I said cold killers. Who shot? I don't remember. That bitch off.
That was funny as hell, because since everything's like not tight, everything's freaking shaking. Hold on. I'm gonna play it right there. Hold on. All right. Ah, damn it. Wait.
Bite the pills. I could go with that time and you can ghost a nigga. I fuck a bitch, her pussy dry, I might use coaching niggas. I really got left for noodles. No a pit who's born a noodles. You say you got G fit from fish, crack the case with that shit on YouTube. Told the old head fresh out of jail, this shit right here, he ain't used to fuck with Christmas. With cash, that boy dead, I'm glad. I don't speak tongues, pig. I said cold killers. Who shot? I don't remember. That bitch off coke, remember. Fuck hoes the price. You hustle bags if you the plug, then why you.
Okay, so put it back together is really simple. All the bolts, you have some bolts that are deeper, and those will go in the bigger holes. And you have like the little ones that it's pretty obvious. Like it's pretty easy to take it apart. But this is how I took it apart. Just remove all of these around it, and it pretty much came apart. I'm gonna put it back together right now, and that way I can play it with, because right now it keeps on going like on a safe mode with all the bass. As you guys can see, it's pretty freaking bassy. Okay guys, so it's all put back together. So now let's play. Look, everything's back together. Turn it on. There we go. Now we're gonna play a full demo.
Make free codes, bite the pillars. I cut coke for dealers. If he got more bodies than you can't look bro the nigga. You hustle bags if you can't ghost a nigga. I fuck a bitch, her pussy dry. I case with that shit on YouTube. Told the old head fresh out of jail, this shit right here, he ain't used to. Young niggas cool, he don't fuck. That bitch go. I'm talking about Jackson Sweet. With cash, that boy dead, I'm glad. I don't speak tongues, pig. I don't fuck with dab. She knows he close a tab. I'm smirking my golden child.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and then this is the last part of the puzzle. This goes right here, and that's how you can stand it on tables or whatever. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to show you guys how cool these little speakers are. And man, I'm really blown away by this speaker. I'm selling it though, because yeah, I have like a lot. If you guys want me to do videos of my sound systems, I have some crazy shit that you guys haven't seen. Like I have one that's a triple I have a subwoofer that's triple subwoofer. It's like 1, 2, and 3. It's got triple subwoofer, and it's like a little one too. It's like same size as this one. Why is it? Oh, okay.
Something about a project, you gotta love her. I ain't never too good to fuck a bitch from the hood. You can bring me a bitch out the gutter. Yeah, probably wouldn't. Yeah, this bitch just told me she ain't never seen Friday, nigga. You can keep it. Everybody know I like ghetto bitches.
Alright, guys, thank you for watching. I'll definitely make videos of my other systems that I got. They're really crazy, like you guys will see. I literally could hook up like 20 speakers to make my house system. But yeah, thanks for watching. I just think this is really cool. I didn't break it, so that's good. And yeah, this is dope. Play bro.
Yeah, sounds like the poor girls help. Project bitch be punching. You better know the other hoes probably gonna run when it's real. But he said the dope trying to pat me down, so I'm a project.